We had two landscape goals at the Coronado property. One was to use concrete and steel borders to create a geometric pattern to drop landscaping around. Basically, we have three things going on: places to walk, places to park, and landscape. Number two is to take the existing saguaro, thank goodness we had it, and the existing mesquite trees, acknowledge that they're indigenous and they're native, and add more indigenous material. So it's boring in a good way. On this property was those huge mesquite trees. Great chance to get some shade for a vehicle, for pedestrians, for a courtyard. And the big saguaro. Not the most elegant, perfect sunset saguaro. Did the best we could price-wise to bring in some neighbors to colonize it. So we've got three other short spears. If there's no arms on a saguaro, it's called a spear. And we've tried to incorporate some of the other backbone plants of the Salt River Valley. More saguaros, fishhook barrel cactus, the ocotillo or coach whip cactus, and for shrubs, brittle bush. And also the prickly pear with the red fruit that's called Opuntia angleminii is actually native to this area. If you'd like two quick bits of advice for landscaping a property like Coronado, I would say one, be boring with the plant material, default back to indigenous exclusively, and two, use the lines of the existing structure to project the hardscape, meaning fences and concrete walks. I guess there's a third piece of advice, and that is have a guy like Louis that's been with me for 26 years.